Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Right asikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ke hayi yonke into ihamba kahle. Kwaziseka abantu abaningi ke bakhathazekile ziyasuka kusasa lokusayo iyaqala ke i-rain water yenza lento ekuthiwa ke i-maintenance apha amabhakede yonke into ihamba kahle kodwa ke asikho lapho okwamanje sizokhuluma ke ngezinto ezithinta ukuphepha emphakathini ikakhulukazi nasemgaqweni nokusetshenziswa nje kwemigwaqo nokuhlonipha ke imithetho yemigwaqo. Njengalokhu ke sizokhulumisana nesikhulumi samaphoyisa ngaphansi komkhandlu udolobha waseKululeni esibhekele ke wona amaphoyisa i-EMPD uyena ke uLieutenant uKennel Kilebogile Tipha uzosichazela kabanzi namhlanje ngezinto ke ezithinta ke ama traffic fines asichazele ngamathuba akhona lawo ke abhekeleke kuwona ke umnyango wabo ngezokuphepha nokugada ke kukuwe ke ukuthi ke uthathe ipen nephepha ukuze mase sikunikeza lemniningwane ukwazi ukungena ubheke ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani. Kuningi ke futhi okunye sokubheka siyazi ukuthi ke laba ke abasebenzisa uhlelo ke lokulayisha umphakathi besebenzisa ke e-hailing service bayakhala bathi ke nabo sebeshaqelwa ke izimoto pounda ke ukusho noma inpound uzosichazela kabanzi ngokuthi bona umsebenzi wabo uyini kulolu daba. Ake simnike ithuba asibingelele.
Yet another day, another epic moment with the Thembisa Online team. Thank you again for having us. My name is Kilebogile Tipha, the spokesperson for the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department. We are at your service and again an information sharing session that we'll be having with you guys.
Njengoba ke ngishilo ukuthi ke sinaye uLieutenant Kennel Kilebogile Tipha obuya lapha ke kuwo umnyango wamaphoyisa ngaphansi ke kwamaphoyisa kaMasipala EMPD. Niyaphila namhlanje?
Awu sihlala siphila njengoba sinani niyazi ukuthi impilo isaseningi and siyabonga futhi Thembisa Online to the awesome viewers of Thembisa Online. Good afternoon and siyabonga ukuthi nibe nathi namhlanje.
Mawuyichaza mase kuphelele ubani wakwabani umsebenzi wakho yini?
Igama uKilebogile waHathepa ke spokesperson sa EMPD ka mo fase ga tropo ya rona ya City of Ekurhuleni.
Watla wa shapa sipe.
Hey ngiyabona ukuthi ilimi liyaqala liyabopeka ngesizulu.
No siyabonga. Ngiyazi ukuthi namhlanje izinto esoyibheka traffic fines issue amasekwenze njani. Sizwile futhi kunabafowethu abakhalayo ukuthi ngathi niqalile manje ni impound ama bolt. What's happening? Are you allowed to even do that? Let's check also ama opportunities wemsebenzi akhona enwakhiphayo ikakhulukazi ke kule department. Engicabanga ukuthi abantu ke into abayifunayo kakhulu ziningi izinto and siyabonga for making sure ukuthi niyasijoyina abantu bayajabulela kakhulu ifeature bayafunda ke into eziningi. Take us through.
Inshallah baba siyabonga ukuthi vele nibe nathi njengoba sesishilo but then lesizoyithinta namhlanje yama traffic fines kwamele ukuthi umuntu azwisise isizathu sokuthi why amisiwa and why aissuewa nge-traffic fine. Sicela ukuthi sidistinguishe between the different kinds of ama traffic fines lawo ngawatholako. Sicale ngokurectifya igama ukuthi i-traffic fine akusi traffic fine, it's a written summon for one to appear in court maybe ukuthi une challenge nga whatever that has been issued to yena. Sikhulumela phezukwane ngiyakumisa endleleni baba ngukissuewa nge-written summon esho ukuthi wena on this day kwamele ubhadale the stipulated amount esho ukuthi you admit guilt of leyo violation or lo ukuphula umthetho loyo. The second date is date ye court appearance ukuthi mawungavumelani naloko kubhaliwe ungaya ecourt ufike ustate icase yakho phambi kweprosecutor la azothatha khona all factors ezikhona ezirelevant and then athatha isinqumo pertaining that written summon. In the city of Ekurhuleni sebenzisa ama written summon lawa siwabiza ama section 56 le ukuthi mainly it's for our moving violation. Uthola umuntu undlula i-stop sign, uthola umuntu ukuthi akafakanga i-seat belt, udriver aphethe i-cellphone ngesandla into efana nalezo iyo le section 56 lesikhuluma ngayo. sibuye futhi sibe ne-section 341 leyo kaningi yile uyithola ukuthi it's for parking violations. Kuyayenzeka ukuthi sisuke lana siye ngaseThembisa Plaza masifika disabled parking mawuthi uinspector imoto uyabona ukuthi lo muntu akapakanga la kwamela apake khona upake la ukuthi umuntu okhubazekile uzoyidinga leyo parking. That's when ukuthi sibhala le 341 sishiya lapha yana ngoba udriver asimazi ngaleso sikhathi, so iya processwa and then eventually ifike ku driver kanjalo through the back office processes.
Mhlawumbe kunye ngakubuza ngoba nginokubona hey nala iswazi in abawakhiphi in terms of lawo ma traffic wabiza ngama 341 nazi kanjani pho ukuthi ngitholile because nginokubona nifaka la under wiper leli nazi kanjani ukuthi ngitholile niyashutha nenze njani?
Cha mase kusuka lapha yana iya processwa and then uyothumelwa umnikazi wemoto njengoba sazi ukuthi i-notice yethu iphethe yonke information pertaining to i-owner yemoto. I-owner maybe ukuthi bekangahambi ngaleyo moto mhlawumbe in terms of i-ARTO une option yokuthi anganominate i-driver leyo ukuthi irresponsible for transgression and then furthermore thina okwethu ukuthi just to ensure ukuthi we verify everything lezobe ihambisana naleyo moto leso sikhathi that we have ascertain the facts, it be registration, the licensing disc, the engine numbers and the likes, and then furthermore then that's how we escalated because sinama records wama owners weimoto zonke izikhona la.
But nisuke ni impound masekwenze njani? Ngiyazi nisuka 341
341 ile uyithola for ama parking violations ukuthi upake endaweni kungamelanga upake disabled parking or into efana nalezo you are parked next to a fire hydrant la ukuthi mase kuba nomlilo. So le mithetho yendlela kwamele ukuthi silandele ngoba yazi makungakabi necessity kuba ngathi akudingeki, but once there is a need i-fire engine isuka kanjani izizoconnecta ne-fire hydrant ikwazi uku-extinguisha whereas wena ushiye yakho imoto lapha yana. So it's one of those things le ukuthi si-insure i-compliance ngazo.
Akekho umuntu othanda ukuthola ithikithi akekho senze njani ukuthi ke sikwazi ukubambisana nani na amaphoyisa omunye uzodaya man officer na into encane lokhunja lapha ukuthatha okuncane yeka lento yenza.
Cha yabona leyo it's criminality at its best. More so ukuthi yabona through such campaigns lesinazo engaging nama stakeholders ekufana nani baba siyakwazi ukuthi simphathe knowledge. Yazi kuyayenzeka ukuthi sometimes sisitshela ukuthi abantu bazi umthetho kanti khona ignorance ethize or khona lokhu okungaziwa. That which is section 56, it's a written summon for you to appear in court. Mase kuyi written summon kuyayenzeka ukuthi wena ungayithathele inhloko or mabaceda uku-issue ama officers uyayithatha uyayilahla. Mase uyilahlile kundlula i-payment date kubuye kundlule i-court date. Lama ibuya sekuyi contempt of court where a warrant of arrest is now issued. Mase simile senza ama warrant operation kula sukumisa khona sicheck ukuthi awunawo ama outstanding warrants. And mase kufikela ukuthi siyawathola kula ukuthi uyaprocessiwa as such. And but remember ukuthi icala kuphi icala from the issuance ye traffic violation in terms of section 56 ifikele la ukuthi wena after being issued awubhadalanga or awubuyanga wazokwazi ukuthi uyo plead your case ku prosecutor and furthermore disregarding konke okukhona la ukuthi its durations le unikweza zona and then it becomes a contempt of court which eventually ifikele ku ama arrests.
Right, sisakhuluma ke siqhubeka ke naye ke uofficer ngifuna ukuthi ke mina nawe ke singene sibheke la ukuthi ke ngabe ngalempela sonto esiya kuyona ngabe ke kwenzekani. Ukhumbule ke ukuthi ke siyithembisa online sihambisana ke nayo ke iKasi FM kunohlelo esilethulelwa ke umnyango lona ke obizwa ngokuthi ke i-Department of Economic Development esifundazweni sase Gauteng. Kunohlelo ke lawo ke ama SMMEs okufanele sikwazi ukuthi siqinisekise ukuthi ke sikunikeza lona okwakho sizokutshela ukuthi ke sijoyine bese ke sikunikeza yona ke imininingwane ebalulekile ngiyazi ukuthi ke ubanele uBrazo Sondlo uzokwazi ukuthi akufakele lemininingwane mangikhuluma ngayo la ngaphambi kokuba siqhubeke. Attention ekuruleni, the Gauteng Department of Economic Development invites you to the SMMEs Market Day, bringing Kasi Energy straight to Ekurhuleni. Come experience a vibrant township-inspired market celebrating entrepreneurship, local brands, creativity, food, culture, and real business opportunities. Expect local fashion, Kasi flavor township businesses, networking, community vibes, and entrepreneurs doing the most. Whether you are from, noma ngabe mhlambe ukuthi ke uphuma ke eThembisa, eKatlehong, eFosloras, eDaveyton kwaThema, nanoma ngabe ikuphi lapho ukhona. Inqobo nje mawukuthi ke usekuruleni, lena ke ingeyakho. Sondela ke uzokweseka osomabhizinisi ke abasafufusa, ukwazi ke futhi ukubheka ukuthi ke iziphi izinto abazenzayo ngokwama products wabo abawadayisayo. Uphinde ke futhi ube ingxenye ye market day njengalokho ke uyilethelwa iza ke futhi ke ngokukhulu ke lapha ke ngathi nje ke uyilethelwa ke umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho esifundazweni saseGauteng. Kwenzeka kuphi na njengalokhu nathi siyithembisa online sizokwazi ukuthi ke sisakaze bukhoma lapha ya Mike Mall multipurpose hall Esprit View ngomhla ka30 lo mgqibelo sibheke kuona ngo8 ekseni kuyoze kushaye ihora lesibili ntambama u2. Don't miss it because the Kasi economy is open for business. Leyo mniningwane ilena oyibonayo lapho njengalokhu ke ngikhuluma nawe. Kodwa ngifuna ungichazele ke kabanzi ngama discontinue. Nibiza ngani kwenzakalani lapho?
Ama discontinue notice. I discontinue notice yethu si issue imoto mayibe ukuthi akumelanga ihambe endleleni. Khona ama factors that determine ukuthi imoto ingahambi endleleni. Imoto mayingana ama brake iyoma njani. So siya discontinue from ukuba hamba endleleni. I windscreen mase iphukile yonke u driver angasanga boni kahle siya discontinue. But over and above imoto mayiba more than 3 defects kuyo kula sikhipha endleleni ukuyikhipha kwethu sukunikeza ioption lapha ngiyabhala on the discontinue. Imoto ingathoyiwa or ingadriviwa a certain radius la yofika ilungiswe khona, and then once imoto mawuceda ukuyilungisa uyabuya back nale paper to our licensing services la ukuthi bayayitesta imoto, mabaceda ukuyitesta then baya-reissue ngenye i-disc, i-licensing disc.
Niba omaxebula lapho nixebula i-disc lapho.
Yeah, i-disc siyayikhipha baba ukuthi nje umuntu akafixe lama defects ngokuthi kusasa sifuna ukukhala ngempilo kanti imoto into engalungisiwa yayibona.
Officer, mhlambe ke masiqhubeka nalolu daba njengalokho ke mina nawe sikhuluma. Ake sibheke nje manje e-hailing services. Do you have a problem with e-hailing services? What's happening? Sizwa bayakhala manje ngathi ke niya impound imoto zabo.
Yazi baba kwamele kube ne clear distinction and ama duties la ukuthi siyawarendara as the EMPD. Yes, traffic law enforcement, the enforcement of municipal bylaws, crime prevention, and together with that of licensing services. Masleli kuwo sikhuluma ngendaba ze e-hailing, you know, there is an issue with Department of Transport where it has been made that, you know, permits are now outstanding for whatever reasons. But furthermore, tsina su masipala or su ama metropolis department la eKurhuleni, we haven't had instances la ukuthi our officers are impounding such vehicles that would fall within the competency of the Gauteng Traffic Police and perhaps even the National Traffic Police. And ngoba sazi ukuthi si operate different from other metros, baphetha ama-ARTO, siphetha ama-section 56. GTP nayo isebenza ngaleyo ndlela, so siyacela ukuthi mhlawumbe laba abanama questions ama concerns bakwazi uku-identify the distinction between the two latter.
Ngiyazi ukuthi you have exhausted much, but what would you like to add in terms of sizovala ke manje sesihlanganisa nama traffic fines before sizokhuluma ngama opportunities that you have bese uyasithatha usibeka kwi-process abantu bafuna ukuba ingxenye bafuna ukufana nawe Yeah.
No sibamele mabeze bazosijoine ubugebengu buningi kwamele ukuthi sibambisane sikwazi ukulwisana nabo. Into lengiyibona ukuthi i-challenge kakhulu baba ama residents wethu or ama operators weimoto bacabanga ukuthi information ledingwa yiphoyisa leso sikhathi ukuthi akusi information kwamele ayithole. Kuyayenzeka ukuthi ngifike ngikumise ngemoto ngiyenza inspection ngicela i-license yakho ngikutshele nesizathu sokuthi ngiyakumisa ngikubhalela ukuthi ungidlule i-stop sign or anything of that sort. And then ngicela ama particulars yazi as I had explained ukuthi section 56 it's a court document. Kunezinto lezi kwamele zilandelwe kuyo into ifana negender yomuntu i-age yomuntu igama nesibongo i-address yalahlala khona. Yazi angikhumbule eSouth Africa kuba necard eli-issuewayo negama lomuntu for i-driving license. Yazi umphakathi wethu at times mawumisa ubacela igama akutshela ukuthi lilapho ku-license and ngiyazibuza ukuthi hawu man
kuba kunama initial
initial nje so but because of that is what is required by law to be produced and furnished to an officer. Umuntu angakwasakwazi ukunikeza kona kufikele nala ukuthi akasakwazi ukunikeza ne-address and then that automatically results to arrest by failing to furnish information to a police official. So it does in actual fact amount ukuthi umuntu azaboshwe. But siyacela mphakathi ukuthi yazini ayisikho isidingo sokulwisana nephoyisa endleleni malenza umsebenzi. When you have a crisis or a challenge or even anything to raise, let it be raised through the relevant sections of the department. We have prosecutors in various courts within our city of Ekurhuleni that will attend to all these complaints. What we are pleading is that let us comply with the instructions given, and like I said, kuyayenzeka baba ukuthi sithi sikubhalela i-stop sign wena uthi awusibonanga. Uyakwazi ukuthatha leyo same section 56 uyobona i-prosecutor uze ucele nokwenza what we call an inspection in loco ukuthi masambu uyongibonisa la i-stop sign besime ngakhona. So yokulwa nephoyisa endleleni it's a no-go area.
Hayi ngiyabona lishonile ilanga uyabona mase ubona sekuduma imoto seyiphuma kusho ukuthi hayi selishone ngempela yeah zinjalo kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuthi sithi siyayivala opportunities within your department khamba kanjani sicela nama details. Yes please sicela usharele people are always looking forward and baya appreciate abantu ngokuthi anwafihli ungathiwa inkosi yami niyasivezela akusithatha usibeka
injalo. So currently sibone i-advert futhi ye-EMPD security guards ephumile, but then ngisacela ukuthi mhlawumbe ukukhuluma kwethu sikwazi ukuflyta lana sibonisa abantu how they go about uku-assessa this Ekurhuleni website bakwazi ukufikela to the relevant sections and then by so doing they will also take interest kwamanye ama-post advertisiwe laphayana but then angazi ukuthi ingavumeleka lefana nale.
Yeah, no, most definitely what we'll do we'll make sure ukuthi wena lokho kushoyo usithathu uyasibeka ubaneleke ugudu uzokwenza imlingo yakhe la kule screen sakhe nazo wena ungasithatha nje usibeke.
Okay, so as it stands ungena
okay no ngasichazela
uyibuka
thina soyiveza.
All right, as it stands ungena ku the City of Ekurhuleni website. On the City of Ekurhuleni it has information centers. With that you go under vacancies ufike uklike ku vacancies and then vacancies yethu iyokhipha different categories yama vacancies khona lawa permanent khona lawa or before singena kulawo iyokhipha 3 categories. Ikhipha ama external candidates for wonke umuntu one interest yokungena kamasipala. Ama internal candidates it's for wonke umuntu oyikuthi u-internal ukhona la kamasipala ufaka i-ID number yakhe uyasubmita and then imkhiphela wonke that has been advertised externally. And furthermore skills development opportunity that would be ama learnership and such various programs that would be running within the City of Ekurhuleni. Masongenile uya whether ku permanent or ku fixed term or ku temporary njengoba stipulated ubekiwe for ama-external candidate and then uyokwazi ukubona wonke ama-advert akhona. Kuyabaluleka ukuthi umuntu a-create i-profile yakhe abe ne-password akwazi ukuthi ayi-access and ayikhumbule for future references ngoba the system is so easy ukuthi uyangena uya-applya and then iyayi-capture as such.
Ngiyajabula ngoba nje basikhuluma nje ngiyabona uBrazo uyaveza ngendlela okwenzeka ngakhona nangendlela ochaza ngayo. Siyawabonga nalama opportunities and thank you so much. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngokulandelayo sizoke sibheke iminxa ehlukahlukene, sibheka ama-arrests, sibheke ukuthi why uma ngabe kuthunyelwa ama-statement kufanele ubuso obufihlwe abantu so that be understand ngoba hlezi udini bafihlelani. So next time you'll make us understand and ngizwile futhi ukuthi ukhulumile ukuthi manibuya kunezinye izinto ofisa ukuthi uyitouch.
Injalo sisacela ukuthi wonke umuntu one inquiry pertaining licensing services sikhuluma nge-motor vehicle registering authorities, sikhuluma futhi ne-driving license testing centers ukuthi masikhuluma ngama-learners kusuka kwenze njani ama-license, ukuchange ama-ownership, ukudiregister imoto nani sizose sinabo abo-Sis Joyce laba ukuthi bazosicacisela kabanzi ukuthi what the procedure is. But furthermore, just to remind our awesome residents, our awesome viewers ukuthi let us arrive alive at all material times. Sekuyi-winter manje, it's not even for ilanga selibalele, but liyabalela.
Yeah, libalele, yes.
Ilanga libalele. So let us always be reflective. Masibonakaleni, masesihamba siyophuza amanzi amponjwana, singangena emotweni sidrive. Let us make use of services ezikhona, it be transporting services akhona lana, but okubalekile ukuthi at all material times let us arrive alive. Thank you so
singene sijambe nasemabridgini especially la ko Andrew Mapete.
Siyacela bandla, sicela ukuthi singahambi emgwaqeni la ukuthi it's not authorized ukcross nje because your life matters and it's very paramount and thina having to come sizobuya sizobutha hayi akusasijabulisi. So one is too many and we appreciate those that are complying and those that are not. Let us be exemplaries to our kids ngoba sihamba nabo bayasibona ngesonke isikhathi uhamba uphethe ibhiya laphayana kusasa sekakhula kuba yi-adult eyazi ukuthi mara ngayibona endlini angisho ligojolo semanzi or akukho njalo.
Ayinjalo vele. Thank you so much. Siyabonga. Thank you. Iyake muzwa kwethu bezingakho ebesikuphathele zona kulolu suku lwanamhlanje. Sibonga kakhulu ke kuona amaphoyisa i-EMPD ngokuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi bayakwazi ukusondela ke eduze kwethu sikwazi ukukhulumisana nabo sibheke ukuthi ngabe ikuphi ke okuyimininingwane abasicobelela kona. Igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo. Angihambi ngedwa ukhona ubanele uBrazo Sondlo kuyena osiqophela ke imsindo ohlanganisela nezithombe aphinde ke futhi ahlanganise ngomnyoninco ama graphics.